Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where your Logitech headset is not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, we need to check your sound settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab, then click on Sound. Here, ensure that your output device is correctly selected. If you are using a USB headset, select Headphones. If you are using a 3.5mm jack headset, you may need to select Speakers depending on your system configuration. Next, let us ensure your Windows is up to date. Click on the Start button, then go to Settings, select Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Once all available updates are installed, restart your computer. This step resolves the issue for many users. If your headset is still not working, we will move on to the Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. For each item listed here, right-click and select Update Driver. Repeat this process for all audio drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.